Hello, I'm Jesse Myles with the Myles Group at Keller Williams, and today we're going to talk about what a home inspector looks for. A home inspector looks throughout the home during an inspection from the foundation to the roof and for other issues that might affect the property's value. The main categories include the structure, including the foundation, plumbing, and electricity to make sure the systems are working properly. The HVAC, including the air conditioning and furnace and related equipment. The kitchen, including all appliances. The exterior, such as driveways, porches, and spaces beyond the residence. Roof, gutters, and windows. Attic, especially to find signs of mold and leaks. All right, depending on the age of the home, this could be a scary report. However, your realtor is there to help you translate the report for you and negotiate the repairs. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out at the information below. Once again, I'm Jesse Myles of the Myles Group at Keller Williams.